May isa pang anesthesiologist from Bataan naman, no? Pero ako nag-refer from Manila Doctors Hospital din. Kasi doon po ako nag-residency training sa Manila Doctors Hospital. And yung mga consultants ko doon, when I was undergoing residency training, syempre ngayon nasa 60s, 70s na sila, no? Sila yung mga malalakas yung practice. So I wasn't expecting na naghahanap pala sila ng opportunity to earn extra income pa. Yes, kasi sila yung malalakas yung practice. Napagalitan pa tuloy ako. Bakit ngayon ko lang daw shinare ang Riway sa kanila? Yes, kasi in their 60s, in their 70s, hindi pa sila makapag-stop magtrabaho. Pagod na daw sila, but yet, sa profession po kasi namin, walang passive income. So you cannot stop, diba? Siyempre si Meralco, si Maynila will continue to charge you, diba? So hindi pwede mag-stop, diba? So, kaya ingit sila sa akin na bakit daw sa age ko, nakapag-retire na ako. Yan. No? So, for our next sharer, no, actually, I've known this person for quite some time na, pero ngayon ko lang nalaman, napakaganda pala ng background niya. No? Kasi parang kanina, parang hindi ko alam paano ko siya i-introduce. Although, syempre, meron kami mga personal na connections, ganyan, na kakapag-interact kami dito inside Riway. Pero syempre, hindi ko alam talaga ano nga bang background niya, no? Nung nabasa ko yung background niya, nakita ko agad na parang itong taong to, he really has a big heart. No? Sobrang ganda ng advocacy niya, no? Ng mga ginagawa niya sa buhay for so many years, no? And ngayon ko lang nalaman na he's been helping urban poor communities for 15 years na. Straight, yes. Diba? Big heart. Yes, no? And yan yung kailangan natin dito sa Riway, most especially, no? Yung we can accommodate so many people, different kinds of people. Yan. And then he's been working in different NGOs as community development worker. His work is all about making sure that the urban poor have a place to call home. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng advocacy niya, diba? And then, he served as a consultant to the Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor, and he's been lobbying Congress to get laws passed for the urban poor sector. Diba? Parang siya, comfortable yung buhay niya eh. Parang he doesn't have to do this, diba? Pero, yan yung ginagawa niya. And now, he's taking on a new challenge. That is advocating health. No? He's now a distributor in Riway, no? And he's all about joining the health revolution. So, are you ready and excited to hear from this person?
Yes!
Yes! Please help me welcome our Diamond 3-star, Mr. Rad Tibunsan.
Good afternoon, everyone. Can we give a round of applause to our conductors? No, we're on the same stage. It's an honor. So, nasa isang umbrella rin lang po kami under Lomanshen. So anyway, before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge those our leaders that presently really guided us on our journey and our leadership. So can we acknowledge the presence of our team lead, Pabo, Tita Linda, Ma'am Aubrey Alvis, and Ma'am Luma Maro. So we acknowledge also the presence of our Diamond Stars. So can we give a round of applause to the president? Pwede ko malaman sino yung mga first time? So magbabago ko ng aking sasabihin. For the benefits of our first time, it is okay. to those leaders, no? So we would like to welcome our first timer to our leader sharing. Leader sharing is one of the isa sa mga magandang venue na kinreate po ng Freeway Management po para sa atin. This is a kind of place that we gather together. This is a kind of venue that we invited someone to share his journey towards in Freeway. No? So, and then of course, this is a kind of community that we value strength to one another. And for the first time, we really want to share something that maybe you can connect on our story. And then later on, that this story can maybe bring you hope as part of your reflection na mas usisahin pa, ano ba itong naging invitation sa akin ng taong ito. Sinabi, pupunta lang daw kami ng Freeway, tapos may libre niya yung pagkain. Sino po yung mga first timer na ganyan yung naging treatment? Meron pa rito sinabi, pare, magkalimutan na tayo kung hindi ka kasama sa akin sa Freeway. Just to attend, wala namang ganyan. Kaya kalimutan mo na yung utang mo sa akin, basta sumama ka sa akin. We have different reason. Because, alam niyo po yung upuan na yan, para sa mga first timer, para po talaga sa inyo yan. Kasi marami po kaming inimbitahan just to sit on that chair. Pero bakit kayo yung napili na dapat umupo dyan? Maybe there is a reason. And open your mind, open your heart, because andito lang kami upang ibahagi yung aming mga karanasan na pwede magsilbing inspirasyon para sa inyo. At magamit ninyo para sa pagninilay, ano ba yung buhay na gusto kong tahakin sa mga susunod na panahon? Marami sa atin nagdarasal, di ba? In our silent way, Lord, bigyan mo ko ng panibagong opportunity. Minsan, sa sobrang lapit ng isang bagay, hindi natin makita. But when we put in a distance, minsan doon lang natin nakikita. Maybe, ito yung isa sa mga panalangin na kinakatok sa inyo. Of course, I don't want to give conclusion at present this time. So, welcome to Leader Sharing. Alam niyo ba yung Leader Sharing? Kinukontak ko ito sa amin na opisina ng Freeway sa Pilipinas every week. And we have 55 branches in 14 countries. And we held this kind of gatherings. We call it the Leader Sharing. So we would like to welcome each one of us, particularly our first timer. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Si Doc Sidillo and our first speaker, Rosemary Carino, no? Ano sabi nila? Skeptics sila. Abay, hindi ako nalalayo. Ako po yung pangatlo. Skeptic na, negative pa. Because the first time I encountered him, I'm not interested. Negative po. Kasi I don't believe in the product and also in this kind of maybe I'm very honest. Para sa akin, it's the same banana. But after 1 year and 8 months, may pangyayaring nagawa. Yung aking may bahay, yung aking asawa, ay nagkaroon po ng karamdaman sa dibdib. Tinubuan ko ng mga bukol. At ang payo ng doktor ay tanggalin yung pinakamalaking portion. Nung tinanggal po, akala namin, yun na yung solution. But after a month, bumalik po yung mga bukol. It's already cancer. And naalala namin yung pulkit kasi 1.5 year back ago, nung in-introduce sa amin, tinanggihan namin. We choose to believe to our doctors. Of course, siyempre, yun naman po yung upbringing natin, di ba? If there's something happen to our body, of course, we submit to our doctors. Kung ano man sabihin nila, we have no choice. Operahan, putulan. Okay lang kung paa, wag lang yung ano, no? So that's how we submit ourselves. No? Kala namin solusyon na yung pinakamalaking bukol na tinanggal. Kaya lang pagbalik na ako medyo. Parang that's the time we tried the product. And because of that, kasi yung oral stem cell, hindi namin masyadong inintindi yung technology. Kasi ang alam namin stem cell, yung intravenous. Pero ang alam ko, punta ka pa ng Germany o kaya Switzerland, million yun. Wala tayong access doon. Only the rich and famous. So nangyari, she tried that Purchir for the following 5 days, 8 capsule per day. So, during that time, ang advice na sa kanya ng doctor ay removal of both breasts and chemotherapy and radiation. Try to imagine, tatanggalin po yung kanyang dalawang dibdib. Kawawa naman. Sino pong kawawa? Iyang-iya naman ako. Bakit ako? Anong kinalaman ko dyan? So anyway, can we acknowledge my wife at the back? So Vivian will say, she's the reason why I'm Three-Way. So my sponsors and Joel Gamas are the one who introduced to me in Three-Way. Pero ang nagtulak talaga sa akin papasok yung wife ko. Siya yung naging sacrificial lang before I believe in this kind of platform. So because of that, yung wife ko, nung tinake yung Purchir, in 5 days, nawala po yung, there is no muscle. Wala makitang bukol doon sa mammograph report niya. And very magical po talaga yung kanila. And because of that, we continue to explore. Kasi ang sabi sa akin nung sponsor ko, Rad, if you try to sell the product, walang bibili. Hindi ka mag-a-ahead dito ng produkto para ibenta-benta mo kasi walang bibili. You will not do that. Literally. So, sabi ko, pero paano? And then, isa lang sinabi ko, how can I take the product for free? Ay, sabi niya, magandang tanong. You have to find ways to define your mission and advocacy in this kind of platform. Kaya ako naman, hindi ako nalalayo kasi dati nasa programang pabahay ako para sa mga mahihirap. And madali na yung adjustment. Andun pa rin naman, nasa puso't isip ko pa rin naman yung advocacy na different way. Kaya nung nakita ko to, nabutan ko pa yung health revolution. Sabi ko, parang gusto ko. So, yun yung naging accommodation ko talaga po sa Three-Way. And because of that, during that time, 5 days, nawala yung parang we try to explore those persons that we think that this product can help to them. Pero for the first time, hindi po namin kayo iniinganyo dito to see the beauty of the product and then you sell it literally. Hindi po yun. So, you need to stand in the system. Later on, sa pagbabalik nyo, mas maunawaan nyo yan kasi unti-unti maunawaan ninyo yan sa pag-observe nyo sa environment na meron po pa. Kasi ako, it takes time for me to understand the system, the concept, the platform. So, di lalo na yung mga first time yan, para kayong mga nakalutang na yun. So, pero it's okay. It's okay. Ang importante, we build our curiosity to all of you. Para lang, kasi that's our intention na hindi matapos dito yung pagkikita natin.
at least the following day, andito ulit kayo. The next week, andito ulit kayo. The next week, andito ulit kayo. Hindi ho namin kayo pinabibili. Muna. Unawain ninyo kung ano po movie. So, until you understand the whole concept. And then when you understand the whole concept, let's begin the partnership of helping others. So, okay. Yan. Yung nga pang sasabihin ko dito. Who among you attended the leadership training seminar? Kalahati. So can we give a round of applause to ano? Kasi hindi ko connect ko yung ating connection. No? So, I think the last LTS, from my 5 years in Greenway, that is one of the best LTS that I attended. You agree?
Yes.
So, you ask me why?
Why?
Una, doon sa composition ng anim na speaker, 3 doon ay Pilipino. Sir Manolo, Ma'am Jedali, and Ma'am Faye. Try to imagine. Okay na yung mga first timer, ha? Magme-mensahe po muna ako sa ating mga leaders. Try to imagine that these 3 leaders, although they speak in the language of English, but we do understand because what they say is based on the wisdom and knowledge that they experience in real life. And this kind of experience can be delivered in a form of messages that we understand our struggle. Are you agree?
Yes.
That is the beauty of those 3 Filipino speakers, I think. But of course, even Conrad. Conrad. Ano ba Conrad? With Conrad. Gusto yung nanay ko kasi ang sinisigawan ako niyan. Conrado sinampay! Opo. So, balik tayo kay Conrad, no? Yung ating taga-Poland. Polish. Although meron tayong interpretation devices, pero minsan hindi rin although it doesn't matter, we don't understand fully yung kanyang delivery. Pero the expression ng face niya at doon sa mga nakikita nating slides, sino yung nakaunawa na binenta niya yung bahay niya, tapos yung lansang ng nanay niya, hiniram niya, nawaldas niya. That's the story of this guy. And he's very thankful to Riway. Because Riway, naibangan siya muli. Naibalik na yung kanyang puri at dangal sa kanyang mga magulang at sa kanyang anak. And dala niya yung kanyang grupo from Philippines. Ngayon, nasa Palawan daw sila. So, swimming. So, they enjoy Philippines. So, have fun in Philippines. Yeah. So that's one of the reason. Kasi yung alam nyo, pero prior to LTS, alam nyo kami mga leaders na mobilizer, we call it mobilizer. Kami yung mga nagsiset ng mga tao, pupunta, ilan yung bilang, kami yung nakikipag-communicate sa mga BD, tapos yung BD. Ito na bilay talaga. Kailan mo ba isasubmit yung ilan yung bilang? Alam nyo, kami po talaga yung mga stress. Sometimes, I hate LTS sa LRM. Kasi kami po yung kami po yung pagod na pagod. Kahit mismo sa actual na araw na yun, nakaupo ka na. Asan ka ba? Pinatutan mo kami rito, layo-layo, wala pa kami TV, nandito kami sa labas. Nagugutom na kami, wala pa kami nalmusal. Sa lahat ang reklamo sa buhay, di ba? Pero, one thing I really appreciate on the leadership training seminar, it doesn't matter what we experience, side by side. What I mean by side, positive or negative, the appreciation is really complete. Kasi during the time that we listen to to different speakers, ako, personal reflection ko po, because LTS given me a venue to reflect always. There's a moment of I almost give up in my journey in Railway. One day I entertained to myself the month of week. But LTS is one way given to me as a venue to reflect. Kasi lagi ko pong iniisip kapag ka ako ay ito lang po yung aking laging pinagdinilayan. On my present situation, am I satisfied? Yun din po yung gusto kong ibato sa inyo. Yung kasalukuyan mo bang sitwasyon ngayon ay satisfied ka? Maraming aspetong pwede natin pag-usapan. Pero in terms of health, in terms of wealth, dalawa lang din naman yung magiging bottom line. Are you presently satisfied? Are you feel fulfilled as of now? Particular to our first time. Because if not, kung hindi, there is something wrong of what we have done from the past. Either 3 years or 5 years. Minsan nga, pag inusisa mo yung 5 years ago or yung 10 years ago, stretching, parang parehas pa rin yung ano. Parang pakiwari ko, umandar yung panahon pero hindi umandar ang buhay ko. Hindi ganyan ba kayong pakiramdam?
Yes.
And then if we are not consciously aware on the present time, there is a future na nag-aantay. Kasi kung wala kang gagawing desisyon ngayon, yung pwede mong maging buhay for the next 5 years or 10 years is the same situation, malamang. Yun pa rin yung magiging buhay mo. If you are not decide as of now, lahat naman tayo nag-e-explore ng bagong opportunity. Lahat naman tayo nag-e-explore ng bagong potential. And maybe, try to explore the possibility for you to find your progress in living. That is the challenge. So, pinapalakpakan po natin. Kasi yung progress naman, halimbawa, Timilit Pabo, Aubrey Alvis, hindi naman naging pabo yan biglaan. So, although kahit po Timilit Pabo yan, ang earnings mo niyan pang Timilit Pegasus na. So, palakpakan naman po natin. Malungkot po yan kung noong December, 800,000, medyo depressed po yan. So, kaya nawala tuloy ako. Progress. Ibig sabihin, hindi magaganap ang progress. Hindi naman susulpot yan, biglaan. Yung isang biglaang resulta, kung hindi ka muna nag-decision ngayon. Because your decision and the particular activities that you want to reach something, particular your target goal, kung ano man yun, sa buhay na gusto mong tahakin, mangyayari yun kasi nakadefine yung gusto mong maganap sa ngayon. So, and yun yung binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon. One thing I really appreciate during the LTS is the input given to us by Timilit Pegasus Ramon Ondo. No? Parang sinasabi niya, yung sa buhay na tinatahak natin, pakikibaka sa buhay na tinatahak natin. Kaya, alam niyo ba, during that time, sabi ko sa wife ko, nangarap ako someday that I will be one of the speaker in the big that event. Someday. But I know the requirements, of course. There is a qualification. Pero kung darating yung time na yon, I will ask James, our general manager. Sabihin ko sa kanya, may mga bisita ba tayo European, American? Give them device. Kasi magtatagalin ako. I speak in our own language.
Nire-report na po ako ni video rin kay James. So, balik tayo, balik. Asa na ako? Yan, nawala na tuloy ang gulo-gulo kasi. Ha? Ayun, yung... Oh, okay. Yung kay kuya mo, ano? Sabi na, you know, natatanda niyo yung story ng elephant and the mouse? The mouse cannot be, di siya pwedeng tumawid sa isang umaragasang ilog eh. Kasi yung current, di ba? Hindi niya kakayanin. Kahit marami pang magsama-sama yung daga, cannot be to the other side. Anong kailangan? That this mouse, kailangan sumampang sa likuran ng elepante so that the elephant can bring them to the other side. Sometimes, we cannot depend in our own capability. Yung sarili husay at galing natin. We need an elephant na pwede tayo makasakay. An elephant are offering to all of you, particularly our first time. And who is the elephant? So, talapakan ko na rin. Try to imagine that for the following last 18 years, we were looking for those persons that almost losing hope. Binibigyan niya tayo ng pagkakataon kasi sa akin. Ano yung inaano ng Freeway para sa akin? It is the system that you need to study. It takes time to study until you find the full concept. Until each one of us, we discover the best version of ourselves. You know one thing I really appreciate Freeway? Parang ako sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, I need this kind of community. Why? You ask me why?
Why?
Kasi ang bawat isa po rito, iisa yung pinagdadaanan namin orientation pagdating sa core moral values. I don't want to discuss the detail. Kasi para po sa mga first timer, kung makikita nyo yan sa amin, we wear that kind of symbol. Kasi that is our common denominator. Iba-iba man yung pinanggalingan namin. Either white person, either European person, either Malaysian or Japanese or Thailander, Filipino, we had the same orientation. And what is the common denominator? That is the core moral values. That is our strength. That is our community. That is our... Wala kaming ibang pinag-iisipan kundi yung ikabubuti ng bawat isa. Kung ikaw ba nakakaramdam ng ganyang treatment that somebody doing good for you, ano ka isusukli mo? Diba? Saan ka makakatagpo ng ganyang community? Alam niyo, tagal ko po sa industriya din to observe like this. Pero wala na po talagang ano. I think Limbon Home is a heavenly gift to all of us. Para after Litwan nyo, especially para sa inyo. And hindi lang siya nag-isip para sa Singapore. I-explore the possibility of sharing this concept to anyone na pwedeng magka-interest. Ang kailangan lang po long term. You need to invest long term. Pero kagabi, I realized to one of our BD, based on their experience of the boss itself, the founder itself, Mr. Limbon Hong. By definition of long term, 18 years para sa inyo, mahaba, maisip.
Mahaba.
Pero kay boss, kay Mr. Limbon Hong, sila nung 18 years. Why? Because he is thinking that Freeway will exist for the next generation. Try to imagine that. Tibok na lahat ng founders, tibok na lahat ng...
Founders.
Kasama na kami. But the next generation will continue this kind of system. And this kind of system maybe can be a hope, can be a salt and light to our nation, particularly Philippines.
Yes.
Magbigay modelo tayo as real-way person to influence our government. Si Ma'am Aubrey, visit na visit yan kasi tax niya pa lang 300,000. Si Tita Linda, ating million tax. Okay lang kung alam mong ano eh, kung ginagawa ng pang-flood control eh. Kaya lang, ano po kami, literal po kami nagpo-contribute talaga sa gobyerno. And try to imagine, this company contributed 700 million. Try to imagine that. Saan kaya napunta yun? So this is Rewake is all about. We really want you to explore the possibility for you to grow. Hello po, hello, nandito po ako. Mamaya rin magkwento. Ang point ko po, really will help us to discover the best version of ourselves. Paano yun? Paano yung procedure? Paano yung process? Dapat later on, kami pong mga nagmamature na sa platform, we're not too much interested of earning money kasi it's already in the system. We already benefit on the system. Ganon din po yung sasabihin ko doon sa mga leader on progress. Do not pursue too much about the money, about the ranks. Siyempre, nare-recognize tayo dyan. Pero ang point ko lang, on the process, take your time na maging buo ka. Kasi pagka naging buo ka, it's easy for you to influence others. Kasi nakaupo na yung nakatayo na yung ating video. Pag sabi niya, ano ko, 5 minuto ka na lang dito. Teka. Yan, hindi ko na rin paano ko pa i-isin yung sasabihin ko. So, wala tuloy ako. Kaso na ako. Oo. Yan, yung pagiging buong-buo. Kasi, when you find yourself that you are whole, it's easy for you to influence. And the intention is better to help others. When you help others, di ba kanina nabanggit ko, there's a moment that I want to quit in Rewake because nakaranas ako sa mga pagod. But the commitment of my leaders, particularly in Iloilo, can be acknowledged our two leaders. Grabe. Kasi pag marinig niyo yung story niyan, abangan ninyo. Hindi ko na ikukwento kasi baka magkaiyakan tayo dito. So, because their commitment, the commitment of my team, is my responsibility. Ako yung nagsikap sa kanilang ipaunawa anong opportunity, anong potential meron sa Rewake. So, hindi po pwedeng hindi kami magpatuloy. So, looking back doon sa sinasabi ko, it doesn't matter kung ano yung pagkusisa mo o pagtingin mo o timeline mo in terms of doing this in a long term. Pero ang ibig ko lang pong sabihin, if the boss are thinking on the next generation, ibig lang sabihin, kaming mga leader po, nag-iisip talaga, ano yung pwede magiging sa aming system. Kasi, alam namin, by doing this on progress, I know we will benefit on the system because this company using the Libby regime, that we multiply our time to others. And because of that, sooner or later, more or less, nagbe-benefit na kami sa passive income. Pero hindi kami hinto doon kasi we want to mature that to become inheritance income na kahit tigot na kami. Pagpalagay mo 10 years from now, yung account kong isa ay nag-3 million na lang. Per month, matutuwa kaya yung mga anak ko.
Yes.
So that is of commitment that we really want. Pero hindi naman yun hindi lang yun yung focus namin para kumita, hindi po yun. Pero by giving your services, effect na lang po yung mga bonuses income na pwedeng mapasa amin. So, to end my sharing, ano lang po, sa aeroplano, sino pong mga nakaranas sumakay ng aeroplano? Turbulence, nakaranas, na biglang babagsak. Sino yung tumili na on the experience of turbulence? Na parang, so at least nakaka-relate kayo. May isang situation doon sa loob ng aeroplano habang nasa yung papawid. Grabe yung turbulence. So yung mga tao nagtitilian na, sumisigaw na, nagdarasal na, and then here comes one boy. Naiinis na yung tatabi niya. Sabi niya, ano ka bang bata ka? Lahat kami rito nagsisigawan na, lahat kami nagdarasal. Parang ikaw kalmado pa. Anong dahilan? Bakit ka kalmado? Sinong pampakuto yung piloto? We want you to trust what is Reway is all about. For the following 18 years, Reway knows, alam niya kung paano tutulungan ang bawat isa na maiangat ang antas ng ating pamilya. So with all that, so this is Rad Tribusay. Maraming salamat.